Hello student, welcome to the KTHM e-learning portal. I am Pratik Shinde, working as assistant professor in Department of Zoology, KTHM College, Nasik. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the subject environmental biology and the toxicology, class TYBSc. We are going to cover the chapter ecosystem and the topic ecological pyramids. Then we start with ecological pyramids. The ecological pyramid is a graphical representation of the relationship between organisms at various trophic levels in a food chain. In other words, the ecological pyramid is a graphical representation of an ecological parameters like number of individual or amount of biomass or amount of energy present in various trophic levels of the food chain are plotted. They assume a shape of pyramid, with the producer forming a base of the pyramid and top carnivores at the tip of the pyramid, shown in this animated picture. Here, the producer occupy the base of the pyramid and the tertiary consumer occupy the tip of the pyramid. Here, the graphical representation means we are going to talk about a number of organisms. Here the number of producers counted in number and they form the pyramid of number. When we talk about the pyramid of biomass, the biomass or the dry weight of these all animals of an each trophic level, then they form a pyramid of biomass. When we talk about an pyramid of energy, when the organism or the first trophic level pass the energy to the second trophic level, this energy transmission or the transfer called the pyramid of energy. Then we move towards the type of ecological pyramids. The ecological pyramids are of three general types: pyramid of numbers, pyramid of biomass, and the pyramid of energy. The pyramid of numbers showing the number of individual organisms at each trophic level. The pyramid of biomass showing the total dry weight and other suitable measures of the total amount of living matter. The pyramid of energy, though showing the rate of energy flow and the productivity at the successive trophic level. Let's take a look at what is the general structure of ecological pyramid. The bottom of an ecological pyramid is broad and it's occupy the producers, that is the autotroph, CF. Then they form first trophic level. Then the primary consumer occupy the second trophic level, CF. And the secondary consumers, that is the carnivores, occupy the third trophic level. And the last is top consumer or the carnivores which are occupy the fourth trophic level and so on. The ecological pyramids can be upright, inverted, spindle shape and rhomboidal shape and other different shapes. But these are the main type of the ecological pyramids. In upright pyramid, the broad base and the gradual tapering towards the end. In case of inverted pyramid, the narrow base and the gradually broadened towards the tip. And in case of spindle shaped pyramid, both the end narrow and the middle is broad. And in case of rhomboidal shape, the upright pyramid with narrow base. Then we start with the pyramid of number. The pyramid of number showing the number of individual organisms at each trophic level, as seen in animated picture. Here the first trophic level occupied by producers and the number of these organisms are the plants, 11 plants. Then move towards the second trophic level is occupied by the primary consumers. The animal is giraffe. The number of giraffe is lesser than the plant number. Then the top consumer is lion. The number of top consumer is less than the primary consumer. They show the relationship between producers, herbivores and carnivores at the successive trophic level in terms of their number. The pyramid of number are showing the three different shapes. It may be upright, inverted and rhomboidal shape. This different type of pyramid we will study in a different type of ecosystem with suitable example. First, we study the upright pyramid of number. Example is grassland ecosystem and pond ecosystem. In grassland ecosystem, the producers, which are mainly grasses, are always maximum in number and they occupy the base of the pyramid. Then the primary consumer, that is the herbivores like rabbit, mice, are lesser in number than the producers. The secondary consumer like snake and lizard, lesser in number than the rat and mice. Then finally the top consumer, hawk and other bird, are least in number. Thus the pyramid becomes the upright. Similarly, in pond ecosystem, the pyramid is upright. The phytoplanktons occupy the base of the pyramid and the number is large. Then the primary consumers like rotifers and small fish, less in number than the producers. The secondary consumers like small fish and beetle, less in number than the primary consumer. And the top consumer are the bigger fish, are least in number than the secondary consumer. That's why the pyramid is upright. The second type of pyramid is inverted pyramid of number. Example, the parasitic food chain. In this type of food chain, either the producers or the consumers is parasitized. So food passes to the smaller organism. Here the producers are tree, herbivores are fruit-eating birds, and the parasites are lice and bug. And the hyperparasites are bacteria and fungi. However, in a parasitic food chain, the pyramid always inverted. This is due to the fact that a single plant may support the growth of many herbivores like fruit-eating bird, and each herbivore in turn may provide nutrition to the several parasites like lice and bug. We support many hyperparasites. Thus form the producers toward the consumer. There is reverse position, that is, the number of organisms gradually show an increase, making the pyramid inverted in shape. Then the third type of pyramid, rhomboidal pyramid of number. In a forest ecosystem, however, the pyramid of number is somewhat different in shape. In some reference book, this pyramid explained as spindle-shaped pyramid, but this is a rhomboidal pyramid because here show a 4 trophic level. When we are going to show a 4th trophic level, then we are called as rhomboidal type of pyramid. If the pyramid show only 3 trophic level, then the pyramid look like 2 narrow end and border middle. But in this pyramid, the 4th trophic level C. That's why the pyramid is rhomboidal pyramid. The producer, which are mainly large size tree, see here, are lesser in number and form the base of the pyramid. The herbivores, which are fruit-eating birds, elephant, deers, etc., are more in number than the producers. Then there is gradual decrease in the number of successive carnivores, thus making the pyramid again upright. It is very difficult to count all the organisms in a pyramid of number, and so the pyramid of number does not completely define the trophic structure of an ecosystem. Then the second type of pyramid is pyramid of biomass. Biomass is a measure of total amount of dry mass of organism in a given area. Biomass is measured in gram per square meter. A biomass pyramid is a diagram that compares the biomass of different trophic levels within an ecosystem. It shows the mass of producer that are needed to support primary consumer, the mass of primary consumer required to support secondary consumer, and so on. In animated picture, we have to see the producers have 1000 grams per square meter biomass, and the giraffe shows 150 gram per square meters biomass, and the top consumer shows a 10 gram per square meter biomass. That means the producers of the total dry weight or the total mass is 1000 gram per square meter, and the total dry weight or the biomass of the giraffe or the primary consumer is 150 gram per square meter, and the lion total dry weight or the total biomass is 10 gram per square meter. Then we see the pyramid of biomass, that is the upright pyramid. Example, grassland ecosystem and forest ecosystem. In grassland ecosystem and forest ecosystem, there is generally a gradual decrease the biomass of organism at successive level from the producer to the top carnivores. Thus pyramid is upright. See here, in the both the ecosystems, the biomass is gradually decreased. That's why the pyramid is upright. Then the pyramid of biomass is inverted pyramid. Example, aquatic ecosystem. However, in a pond, as the producer are small organism, their biomass is least, and this value gradually show an increase towards the apex of the pyramid. Thus, the making the pyramid is inverted in shape. See here, the producers are phytoplanktons. The dry weight of the phytoplanktons is lesser than the primary consumers or the zooplanktons and small fishes. And the biomass of the large fish is larger than the primary consumers. That's why the pyramid is inverted. The pyramid of energy. This is the third type of pyramid. An energy pyramid is a diagram that compares the energy used by producers, primary consumers, and other trophic level. In other words, an energy pyramid shows how much energy is available to at each trophic level. Energy is lost at each trophic level of an food chain. Because of this, a typical energy pyramid has a large base of producers. Each level above gets smaller because an energy is lost as heat. There is less energy available as food for next trophic level. The longer food chain, the more energy is lost between the bottom and top link. We talk about an energy. The producers store 1000 kilocalorie energy, and some energy is lost as an heat. the pyramid of energy show upright type of pyramid. The upright type of pyramid seen in almost all the food chains. When we compare the functional role of the trophic level in an ecosystem, an energy pyramid is most suitable. An energy pyramid reflects the law of thermodynamics, with the conservation of solar energy to chemical energy and the heat energy at each trophic level, and with the loss of energy being shown at each transfer of another trophic level. Hence, the pyramid is mostly upright with a large energy base at an bottom. Let us explain this with an example. Suppose an ecosystem receives 1000 calories of light energy in a given day. Most of the energy is not absorbed. Some is reflected back to the space. Of the energy absorbed, only a small portion is utilized by green plant. Out of which the plant use up some for respiration, and of the 1000 calories, therefore only 100 calories are stored as energy-rich material. Now suppose an animal, say a giraffe, eat the plant containing 100 kilocalories of food energy. The giraffe uses some of it for its own metabolism and stored only 50 kilocalories as a food energy. A lion that eats the giraffe gets an even smaller amount of energy, that is 10 kilocalories. Thus, the usable energy decreases from sunlight to producer to the herbivores to the carnivores. Therefore, the energy pyramid will be mostly upright. Energy pyramid concept help to explain the phenomenon of biological magnification, the tendency for toxic substance to increase the concentration progressively at higher level of the food chain. In this lecture, we have studied the three types of pyramids: the pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, and the pyramid of energy. In the pyramid of number, we talk about the number of organisms present at each trophic level. In this pyramid, we have studied three types of pyramid: upright, inverted, and rhomboidal type of pyramid. In upright pyramid, we have seen the example grassland and pond ecosystem. In this pyramid, the producer number always maximum and the gradually decrease towards the tip. In an inverted pyramid, we have seen the parasitic food chain. In this pyramid, the producers less number gradually increase toward the tip. And the rhomboidal type of pyramid, we discuss the example forest ecosystem. We see the narrow base with increase the number towards the tip. Then we have studied the pyramid of biomass. Is about dry weight or biomass of an organism at each trophic level. In this pyramid, we have studied two types of pyramid: upright pyramid and inverted pyramid. In upright pyramid, we see the grassland and forest ecosystem. And in an inverted pyramid, we see the pond ecosystem. In third type of pyramid, pyramid of energy, is about an energy flow or the energy transfer in trophic level. In pyramid of energy, the pyramid always upright, seen in all ecosystems. In this pyramid, the producers have stored maximum energy, but when is transfer this in trophic level, they decrease gradually towards the tip. Thank you.